It's so expensive. Wow.
Incredible. Sa hapon yun na-realize na ba't i-deal nung yung ex?
Maura niya yung food.
Hindi na ako magbalik din.
Charge to experience na lang ni Uy. Good morning. So, mauni akong outfit kay wala kami ligo. And mag-buffet ni Novian. I don't know where. But mautong plano. And I'm wearing Novian's bag. Nakadiri akong laptop. And mag-work ko sa kotse guys because, you know, just in case. And para makasave tayo ng time. So, plano guys. Bye! Asa ta karon? Naasa Higala. Kusina Higala City. And it's so expensive. Yung kini-carry.
Here guys, bumili kami ng iba't ibang ulam and the price range is around 300 to 500 pesos. For this dessert, I think it only costs less than 100 and the experience is good and at the same time, the flavor is so nice. It's creamy and tasty. This is their main branch and meron pa daw silang branch sa Bukidnon according to Novian.
Good morning! This is Neriza. Mag-adto mi sa Bukidnon karon. And kauban na mo si Novian and then iyang manghod si John John. So, oh God, excited na kay ko. Guys, so update na ami sa Manolo Fortich bathroom break la kay 1 hour pa daw ang biyahe pa adto sa Communal Ranch. Abi na ako magdahilayan kita season first. So, Communal Ranch daw and then dahilayan. So, sulit kaayo oy. Yeah. Hi guys, we're here finally. Nice oh.
Amazing. Ano gud si Kuya na kung si Kuya first time mo ba? Sorry Kuya.
Nindot kayo, oh my gosh.
Ako avocado o kuan.
Hi Neriza. How was the experience? Wow.
Incredible.
Nice kayo. So, pauli namin kay 1 hour naman na mo ang time. Ambot ko na mong habal-habal. But, yeah, we already took some pictures and they bought ice cream. Hi guys, nanami here. So, magbayad ka diri 150 for adult and then 100 for kids. Maunang entrance guys. And then yan yung map. Ito yung mga rides nila guys. So, we're going to ride Razorback. Tatlo me. So, nasa Razorback. Hello! Wala na sis!
Radar Shine Ma'am, kaya wala yung refund ang ticket.
Nako. Hi!
In this night, a starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh.
It's a whole ass adventure, guys, and I don't know why my nose is so red. I got this buko shake for only 50 pesos because I'm fucking thirsty. So that's Novian and Riza, and we're going to Forest Park. Gikan mi sa Adventure Park kasi nag-go-kart. I know, Razorback. Kapoy na kay ko. But the experience is good. I would rate it 7 out of 10 because nasa likuran kasi kami. And then nag-i-stop yung Razorback. So, ang tendency kapag mabilis yung pag-go namin, bigla kami mag-stop kasi nasa harapan is nag-i-stop din. So, siguro mas ma-enjoy siya if nasa harapan ka because walang nakaharang sa harapan. But yeah, that's the experience.
Yeah. So yeah, I think it's really good, especially if you're like married couple or what.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's really the target.
And it's also very specific, you know?
Yeah.
You can also say like,
Kung kay kabalo pa siya, kasama na mo siya. Dayon, after 3 years, ay pa niya na-realize na ba't yung na yung ex. Diba?
Sige lang, katawa o. Ikaw naman. Unsa na si... Hindi lang ko eh.
Feel na ako makita.
For months na siya, guys. Wala gawas ka sa ilong balay.
Ay, siya, yan ako, makita rin ako.
Balay ba na mo?
Wala
na, kitty.
Sand na baka nang liguanan. Kaya akong grabe. Ano, kabalo na siya. Ay, pa ba siya kasaka diri? Mga anak mong gudin niya. Wala pa ni sila nag 1 month. Kuan pa ni sila ka weeks.
Wala paliw, good ko sis.
Pinak man sila ka weeks. Murang mag 3 weeks sumantingay sila karon. Hindi na siya masaka. Amazing. Mo din. Pag na-learn ha. Yawa ko.
Gapon na siya nawala, guys, ha?
Para siya sa bago ay.
Hi, guys! Good morning. Asa kayo tawagan to sis Tinago Falls? Ha?
Asa ko maligaw? Katong nai market. Kanang na
Ipairam ko ni Neri sa off top kay wala ko yung sa Dina, guys. Wala pa yung makeup and everything. Parang siya sa ito. Hello! We're here. We're here at Tinago Falls in Iligan City. So, na-extend mo ang trip, guys. From Bukidnon to Tinago Falls. And 325 steps daw siya. So, good luck lang sa mo ang paa. Good luck lang, Jude. Kaya wala may exercise. Maura niya yung food. Yeah. Usa kaya na triple cheese, garlic cheese. And then, usa ni overload. Ikaw sa. Hi guys, pauwi na kami. And yung kalaban namin ngayon is stairs. Good luck. Apoy.
Guys, napaka ano.
Saman.
Ayoko na.
Hamon, panhamon. Unsa? Konting-konti na lang.
Konting-konti na lang. Yung pasensya ko rin, konting-konti na lang. Yung energy namin, konting-konti na lang.
Hindi na dyan makaya, guys.
Konting-konti na lang.
Konti na lang talaga. Correct. Yes, guys. I survived the 355 steps na di ka kasama. Oh, samaw niya mong sitwasyon. After 355 steps. Hindi na ako magbalik diri.
So, we're not senior citizens. We're recycled teenagers.
I don't know. Apoy na po. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So we're on our way. Blah blah. We're on our way to Grove Bistro, Iligan City. Mag-cafe mi kay Igutom and at the same time init kayo. Wala si Nerissa Marikay. Kinhilanan. Nilagnat siya. Supposedly dapat ako ang hilantan, tama no? Yung Bisaya hilantan or magkakalagnat. But si Nerissa ang tinamaan. So wala siya, but hopefully maging okay siya unya kay mag-cafe daw mi. But diba sa city di gyapon to si. So okay. Do raman di ay. So yeah, unta mag-okay si Nerissa Mari unya. Mag-cafe na pud mi, another cafe. So bali dalawa ka cafe ang atuan namon karon. We're here, guys, at the Orchard. This is what we ordered, guys. Mag-Robinsons kami sa Iligan kay guba akong chinilas. Pisti oh, pisti. Maura ning reason nga nang mag-Robinsons mi kay guba ako ang chinilas. Tanan na sakyanan, makita ninyo, tanan nga brand, dili na akuan. Dili na ako guys. Na lang. Naanami karon sa Robinson's Place.
Sige, ito yung natiba namin pangkitalan.
Bench, guys.
Dapat ay
Na perfect. Luya ni mo, uy.
Ayaw ka ha.
Guys, luya ni Nerissa Mari, uy. Meow, meow, meow.
Patuloy na bukid na.
Yun eh. Charge to experience na lang ni, uy. Hello, we're on our way home to Lagindingan and galing kaming Iligan City sa bahay nila ni Riza. So this ends our Iligan trip and hopefully pag abot na mo sa Lagindingan we're safe and sound. So it's already 10, unsa na gid? 10:30 something. So
10:20.
10:20. Mauna gipatay ni Nubia ng suga. Paano ka vlog ani unsa makita nila multo?
Pwede mo ko di mo yun.
Bye-bye, guys! Hi, everybody! What's up? Sarah? Wala? Wala ko, Sarah? Wala ni. Ay, nahulog di ay.
Pugi-pugi yung baby. Pugi ka. Pugi-pugi ba?
Today is November 19, 2:30 p.m. and we're going to Divine Mercy Shrine at El Salvador City, Misamis Oriental. And after that, pupunta kaming CDO, maghahanap kami ng cafe doon and magtatambay kami doon hanggang hapon or gabi siguro. And this is my second to the last day here in Misamis Oriental. So tomorrow magka-cafe hunting din kami, but we'll see what will happen today and tomorrow. So I will keep you guys updated. what I got. Rosary, bracelet, and jewelry. Today is my last day at Misamis Oriental and we're going to Laguindingan Airport kasi magla-lunch kami in Avian. So, yes guys, malapit na matapos ang aking Misamis Oriental trip. Just few hours away and nasa Takurong na ako. Sige lang. Hopefully makabalik ko December for the part 2 and Christmas bonus Curvalu sa among company. So, we'll see. Unta, makabalik ko diri December and mag-coffee hunting, cafe hunting. And mag-leave for 1 week. Yeah! Leave. Pero if di maka-leave og 1 week, unta ang work mga 3 hours lang, ana. Dili kay busy. Yeah. Current man guys, kay naga 8 hours me sa 6 to 7 8 hours ana. So di kayo ma-enjoy, but whatever. We'll have our lunch here.
We're finally here at August Cafe.
Alright, naga-backing na siya, naga-parking. Yes, perfect. Ka-perfect ba mag-park, oy? Ayan! Alright, di ko ma-press ang sa seatbelt. Hindi, bubuksan ko to. Bubuksan ko to agad-agad. Alright, naanami sa August Cafe. Nga sa tasang... Basi na parking fee diri, di ko magpalit sa inyong kape. Sige, ang lista na siya. Din ang lista siya sa kuan, sa plate number, tapos yata niya sa LTO. No. Kuan di ay siya. Ni Risa Marie. Pasensya ka na kasi nilagnat man ka, uy. Nausa man ka, uy. Lagi bayaan ko niya guys, bastos kayo siya batasan.
In this night, a starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt. I reassured.
Hello! So, nakaiga ako ngayon dito sa upuan sa labas ng August Cafe. And yes, that's the cafe. But now, nakaiga ako sa couch is because masakit yung likod ko, guys. But the view talaga is so good. Ang ganda-ganda ng view, guys. I will show it. But after this, we will go home. Siguro mga 10 na para makadating kami sa terminal around 11. So, yes, I'm excited to go home. But at the same time, I am sad kasi wala na. Hindi na ako makakaganito. Like, wala masyadong magandang cafe sa amin, guys. That's why nangihinayang din ako. But at the same time, I also wanted to save more money. Kasi dito gastos na ako ng gastos. Like, wala akong nasa-save. You know what I mean? Like, this is my situation right now because I choose work than resting. So, pauwi na ako sa Takurong. Yes, there's still working. Sayang naman yung time, diba? Hindi ko mag-work. So, since 11 pa naman, it's saka 11 pa yung aalis yung bus bag. 9:40 pa lang ata. So, let's use the time para mag-work.